Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk on the topic of fisheries in Goa. Introduction includes brief overview of fisheries in Goa, importance of fisheries to Goa's economic and culture. Goa's geographical significance for fisheries are coastal length of 160 kilometers, 104 kilometers of river and inland waters, strategic location on the west coast of India. Marine fisheries in Goa, major fish species mackerel, sardines and tuna, mechanized and non-mechanized fishing, importance of trawling and porcine fishing. Inland fisheries in Goa, freshwater aquaculture, brackish water fisheries, key species shrimps, mussels, crabs. Economic importance, contribution to Goa's GDP, livelihood for local communities, export potential of fisheries products. Fisheries infrastructure in Goa, major fishing hubs are Panaji and Vasco. Fish markets and cold storage facilities, government support and subsidies. Government policies and activities, Minor Fisheries Regulation Act, subsidies for boats and equipment, training programs for fishermen. Challenges in fisheries sector, overfishing and depredation of fish stock, pollution and habitat degradation, climate change and its impact on marine ecosystem, sustainable and conservation effects, marine protected areas, MPAS, promotion of sustainable fishing practices, awareness and training programs. Roles of fisheries cooperatives, improving local fishermen, facilities better market access, collective bargaining for prices. Aquaculture in Goa, expansion of shrimp farming, brackish water fish farms, role of technology boosting aquaculture production. Marine biodiversity in Goa, rich diversity of marine species, coral reefs and mangroves, threat to marine biodiversity, impact of tourism on fisheries, competition for coastal space, impact of water sports and boating, efforts to balance tourism and fisheries and food security, importance of fish as a protein source, contribution to local food supply, role in reducing malnutrition. Fisheries exports from Goa, major export production shrimp, tuna, sardines, export market Europe, USA, South Asia. Growth of seafood export industry. Technology and innovation in fisheries. Use of GPS and sonar technology. Automation in processing and packaging. Mobile apps for market information. Climate change impact on fisheries. Rising sea level affecting coastal fisheries. Change in fish migration patterns. Ocean acidification and its impact. Future prospects for fisheries in Goa. Potential for growth in aquaculture. Focus on sustainable fishing practice. Expansion of export market. Conclusion. Summary of key points. Importance of preserving Goa's fisheries future outlook for the fisheries sector. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.